So first of all, very special welcome to my guidance level, knowledge and supercalifragilisticexpialidocious and as well as my service and answer who gave me this golden standard, golden standard. So my name is Sarvan. So the fabulous, marvelous topic has been given by Susan. That topic name is what is real happiness. So let's start. You know, according to me, real happiness is the desire, the sensation which you feel in your mind when you do something in your life, according to me. But in the whole world there are so many things are there, like so many people are there, their perspective, their mind and their brain is different from me. The real happiness is different and very various, and it can be very different. Like someone's real happiness is there in their parents, someone real happiness to become successful, someone real happiness in the thing, someone real happiness in the expectations, in their expectations. But all this, according to this, all things are not the real happiness. Happiness means the people are saying when their parents are happy, so it is a real happiness. When when I will become something in my life, that is the real happiness. The people that is real. People say when I buy the Bugatti, when I buy the G-Wagon, that is my real happiness. But that is like that will also not be forever. But according to me, the thing which make you forever happy, the thing which make you forever happy, the thing which doesn't let you feel sad or doesn't let you feel doesn't feel like down the mat, that is the real happiness for you. You know, one time will come that car, and that car will go. One time will come, your post will also go. You have to become retired. One time will come, your parents will die. One time will come, your parents will die. One time will come means everything will be finished. You will also finish. So how it will be forever? According to me, the real happiness is spirituality. The real happiness is love. The real happiness is desire, which is inside of your mind, which is inside of your mind, which is inside of your body, which is inside of your soul. Love doesn't end. लव कभी खत्म नहीं होता है. बता दो तुम्हें एक बात ना. And desire also doesn't finished. The spirituality is the real happiness, according to me. If you are here, it means if you are standing here and you are a spiritual person, means your happiness in spirituality, your happiness in desire. So that is your real happiness, because it will doesn't end. Means there's so many theories are there. After that you will become the spirit. After that you will go to the God. After that you will go to the any very good. But your soul is there. And your souls know, your souls know who loves that soul. So that love doesn't end, that spirituality doesn't end. So according to me, the spirituality is the real happiness of our alls. Don't bring the expectations, because acceptation what happens in today's generation, acceptations are good. Means not good, acceptations are important. They're vital in our life, because someone's expectations can become our needs. There are so many basic needs are also there. Means अगर मुझको साबुन चाहिए तो किसी को साबुन की फैक्ट्री लगानी पड़ेगी ना. वो साबुन की फैक्ट्री लगाना उसके एक्सेप्टेशंस थे. अगर वो एक्सेप्टेशंस नहीं करता, वो साबुन की फैक्ट्री नहीं लगाता. But sometimes expectations can means feel you sad also. Means your expectations are seen to you just become something in your life, and then you will not become that thing. You will be sad. Sometimes your expectations say, "I'm better, mummy na." Means you will think something, but when your expectations go wrong, and it will be wrong, you will be sad. If you want to become happy, forever, don't bring expectations in your life. अगर तुमको सक्सेस चाहिए, सुख दुख दोनों आएंगे. तुम्हें means you want some other things which is your need, सुख दुख दोनों आएंगे. Happiness will also come. You will feel tickled pink. You will feel tickled pink on cloud nines and everything. You will think that all the ball is in my court. You will think that all things. आज तो मेरा दिन है, आज मेरा समय चल रहा है. But sometime what will happen with you? मेरे दिन खराब चल रहे हैं. Like my all days are going bad, but good days will come. So according to me, spirituality is the thing which feels you every time happiness. And spirituality, and do you all know what is spirituality?
is there spirituality?
The spirituality is your soul. The spirituality is the God. The spirituality is everything which you're seeing here. The plants, everything. According to me, everything.
So we have to believe in that and we have to love with that. So
We have to love from ourselves. We have to love for ourselves because we are the part of God. That God can be a land. I will not talk about that all talk.
this is our love.
You know, I mean, if you don't means my simple thing, don't bring acceptations in your life. Just love yourself. Just love yourself. Just love your God, and that's it. This is the real happiness. अगर तुमको अपनी लाइफ में खुश होना है, एक्सेप्टेशंस खत्म कर दो, सारी चीजें खत्म कर दो. You know, every time you see the Brahmins means or the sons, ऋषि मुनीस वगैरह, there why they are not happy, why they are not sad. उन्होंने एक्सेप्टेशंस खत्म कर दी है. वो अपने प्रभु का मीन्स they are happy with their God and with their soul. With their God and with their soul, they are happy. They are not. उनको ये नहीं लगता कि मेरे को, you know, अब whenever you will see the people in the whole world, सारे दुखी दिखेंगे, but वो दुखी नहीं दिखेंगे.
That's great.
वो दुखी नहीं दिखेंगे कभी भी. The real happiness is spirituality. So love yourself, love the God, and that's it. If anyone is having questions, so they can ask. Nigam, are you having questions?
No.
This time.
Are you living your life with a true
Just speak it.
happiness?
Just.
Are you living your life with a true happiness?
According to me, I said if you want to live in real happiness, if you want to live happy forever, you have to means leave all the things, your parents, your career, your acceptations, because you know होता है ना, तुमने means there are so many means, you know, so many quits are also there. तुमको means like one line is there for your one line is for money, and one line is for money, second line is for power, and third line is for your beauty. You can only means bring two lines only. तुम सिर्फ दो लाइन ऊपर ला सकते हो, तीसरी लाइन अपने आप चली जाएगी नीचे के नीचे. देखिए ना यार, ये वाला कोट तुमने देखा, like have you seen this quote? Means only you will get two or one thing in your life. If you want to become happy, just split your means leave your means acceptations. If you don't and if you want to become happy, just feel it. And according to me, not now in today's time, I'm not happy. I'm not too happy. I'm converting myself to become a spiritual person. I'm converting myself. I'm trying best. I'm reading Gita. I'm going to temples. That are all things. But today, nowadays, I'm not happy.
Everyone, this is me in front of you. So today we are talk about something that we all want in our life. What is it? Happiness. What is happiness according to you?
I have said the spirituality.
Okay. And what was your point?
If we are happy, so this is real happiness.
Okay. And what was your point?
My happiness is if I become something in my life so that they match that.
Okay, but as according to me, happiness is happiness inside you. Happiness is when you don't need someone's company. ऐसे बनो कि 10 लोग तुम्हारी प्रेजेंस में खुश हो, ना कि तुम किसी और की प्रेजेंस में जाके खुश हो. That's the
बनाने वाले हमारे parents.
हाँ.
हम खुद तो बन नहीं सकते. So that's
Okay, that's your perspective. Okay, so मेरे accordingly अकेले रहना and the funny thing is that when you are feeling happy alone, everyone wants to be with you.
हाँ.
Yeah,
क्या बात है? क्या बात है?
I relate to this.
Knowledge matters.
Knowledge matters. And for example, people gets in a relationship or a marriage because they seek in their happiness for a partner, and after suddenly one day you had an argument with your partner, and you feel like your happiness is gone. But don't you think your happiness is associated with either with materials thing, places, or with other people? But we are exploring our happiness in the outside world. What is that? We don't even understand what is the meaning of happiness. Happiness is the insight from you. It is come from your heart. That's all. And okay, so thank you so much for listening to me and giving me your precious time.
Firstly, I would like to give my small intro. So, hello all my standing marvelous, tremendous, amazing, as well as those who are having tough personality. And I would like to say thanks to my both of sir, Suraj sir and Sanjeev sir, to having me this golden opportunity to speak here in front of you all. So, as we know, today is the very interesting class that we are gonna tell our real happiness. Like as Bhaiya said that he's having another
Spirituality.
I can't say, okay? Just stop it.
नहीं बोलना.
Yeah, I can't speak. I said na. So, like everyone having a different, like they find their real happiness in different things. But I'm gonna tell you like about myself. What is my real happiness? So, my real happiness is like if I am becoming something in my life. So at that time, my parents would be there to see that to see that success. So it's my real happiness. You know why? Like many people, they say they said like the real happiness is inside of ourselves. I said yes, the real you are saying the real happiness inside ourselves. If we are alone, we don't have like we are not with anyone, so it's our real happiness. But I think we are alone, we don't have anyone, so I think like how can we be happy with alone? Because you know our parents, they born us, okay, and they make us at this level, and we are saying like by alone we are success, and like we this is our real happiness. You know, as you said, like real happiness is we are alone and like inside of ourselves, it's a real happiness. हम बड़े हो रहे हैं और like if we are growing up and after this हम माँ बाप से अलग होके हम बोलते हैं ये हमारा real happiness है. It's a true.
Yes.
Like it's you both are saying the real happiness is inside ourselves. If we are living alone and this is our real happiness, हम किसी के पास happiness नहीं ढूंढ सकते. But I said like कि खुशियाँ हम खुद में ढूंढते हैं. But हम अगर खुशियाँ बनाए ना, if we make the happiness, we
अपनी खुशियाँ मत ढूंढो, ये कहने का मतलब है.
उन्हें वो तो खुशियाँ नहीं मिली.
हाँ.
you think, but I think if we find a real happiness, so that is like खुद में अगर हम खुशियाँ ढूंढेंगे ना, तो like if you find so you get. But मेरा ये कहना है, but I think that like मैं अगर किसी को खुश करती हूँ by myself, तो उस टाइम पे मैं बहुत like I feel so happy because you know like if I help someone और वो खुश हो जाते हैं, तो उस टाइम पे I feel so happy that time. So and that thing is like my parents born me. My parents make me like that I can stand in front of anyone and I can argue with anyone if someone saying to anything to me, and I can speak in front of anyone. So they born me, they send me here to like this, and I think if I becoming something in my life, so they should be there to see my success. So it's my real happiness for myself. Yeah, as you said, as he said, so it's your opinion, because you know everyone has different mindset and different thinking. They think like it's our happiness, but I think, and you said जो like जोगी बोलते हैं उनके जो अकेला रहते हैं और खुश रहते हैं. What you said?
I am not saying that. I am saying persons who are not having expectations in their life, they will be happy.
Expectation.
Expectations. अब तुम कह रहे हो ना, you are saying give me my word होना चाहिए ना.
Take it.
You know the people who are having expectations in their life, they will, of course you are saying आपकी खुशी जो है, जब मैं किसी की मदद करती हूँ तो वो खुशी होती है. जब मेरे पेरेंट्स में सक्सेस देखेंगे तो वो खुशी होगी. You said this all things. You know this. You said this all things. Just suppose आपने पहली बार मदद करी, आप खुश हुए. हमने दूसरी बार मदद करी, आप खुश हुए. Like you means have someone at third time, like you will happy. At fourth time you failed. At that time, you know what is the real happiness? You are a small child, according to me. You know the real happiness is for forever. वो happiness कभी खत्म नहीं होती.
Oh wow!
वो happiness
Forever.
you know, वो happiness कभी खत्म नहीं होती. तुम्हारा जो real happiness है वो कभी खत्म. That real happiness will not end forever in your life. That is the real happiness. What is the happiness? You know, as other means the like there are means small beggars are there. Small businessmen are there. Big businessmen are there. वो 10 मिनट के लिए खुश होते हैं, 15 मिनट के लिए दुखी हो जाते हैं, 15 मिनट के लिए हैप्पी हो जाते हैं, 10 मिनट के लिए बैड दुखी हो जाते हैं. ये like ना why? Because they are getting their happiness from the materialistic things. Someone is saying like my happiness when I will make open my own company. नहीं खुली तो नहीं खुली तो सैड हो जाओगे, खुल गई तो हैप्पी हो जाएंगे. अगर कंपनी में लॉस हो गया तो सैड हो जाओगे. That all things are depends on your life. You know, a normal person can't happy all the time, can't get the real happiness in his life and in her life. If you are finding the real happiness outside in materialistic things, then suppose like find the happiness inside of your means find something unique. Find some unique thing inside of yours. You know, find some unique things inside of your. मेरे अंदर unique क्या है? मेरे अंदर unique क्या है? इसके पास ये चीज है, इसके पास ये चीज है, इसके पास ये चीज है, इसके पास ये चीज है. सारे इंसान हैं, but मेरे को ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो मेरे को अलग बनाती है? You have to find that thing and become happy in that thing. अगर तुम्हें वो दो टाइप के like only two types person are there who want to become happy with their self and who want to become happy by become successful by the materialistic things. दो टाइप के इंसान होता है, वो तुम्हारे ऊपर होता है. I mean in second you know what happen in second type, in second type you have to means and second type आपको happiness भी मिलेगी but कुछ टाइम के लिए, आपको दुख भी मिलेगा, happiness भी मिलेगी, है ना. All the emotions are having inside of you will feel that all emotions in that life, but when you're happy with your soul by yourself आपको सिर्फ happiness मिलेगी.
Energetic performance.
True happiness की बात हो रही है, not about the mints. The couples of mints can pass away. मैंने अभी जो बात बोली थी उसको mints हो, वो बीत चुकी है, वो बीत चुका है, वो वापस नहीं आएगा जो मैंने बोला. अब जो तुम happiness खो चुके हो वो तुम्हारे पास वापस नहीं आएगा. You can only think. अब तुम सोच सकते हो 10 साल पहले मैं सक्सेसफुल हुआ था, मेरे पेरेंट्स मेरे से हैप्पी हुए थे. You can only think that. You can only तुम सिर्फ सोच सकते हो 5 साल you know before 5 years means मेरे को बुगाटी मिली थी. Not really things.
पहले हंसेंगे फिर रोएंगे.
2 साल पहले तो बुगाटी खराब हो गई. My Bugatti has. अब तुम सोचोगे you will feel about the memories of about past. अब जाए से आंसू भी आएंगे, तुम दुख भी होगे. 10 साल पहले मैंने अपने मॉम डैड के सामने सक्सेस शेयर करते बट वो आज नहीं है शेयर करने के लिए मेरी हैप्पीनेस. तुम दुख भी होगे at that time. That all things are there. So according to me अगर तुम्हें रियल में हैप्पीनेस बनना है तो मटेरियलिस्टिक को छोड़ो, अपने सिर्फ think about yourself, think about that all things. दोस्त है तो धोखा भी मिलेगा,
सही बात.
पापा मीन्स पेरेंट्स हैं तो वो जाएंगे भी एक दिन,
पाप पड़ेगी.
कोई सामान है तो वो बिकेगा भी एक दिन, टूटेगा भी एक दिन, बट आपकी सोल आपके पास से जब जाएगी तो आपका माइंड आपकी सारी चीज आपके साथ जाएगी. You know, all things with you inside of your thoughts and everything will go with yourself. अगर तुम मर रहे हो तो means you know about the 7 minutes of before dying. You all know the 7 minutes before dying. आपको पता है 7 minutes before dying. आप अगर मान लो चलो you know if you are means you are dying and you are not a spiritual person. आप सोच रहे हो मरते टाइम आपको दुख झेलना पड़ेगा. अब मरते टाइम आपको दुख झेलना पड़ेगा. Means my parents passed away. These things happened with me. I did this mistake. I did do that all mistake in my life and you will feel very cry before the 7 minutes. But when you are a spiritual person, जब तुम अपने खुद से happy हो, अपने खुद से happy हो, you will not see the materialistic things. तुम बोलोगे मैंने अपनी लाइफ अच्छी ढंग से जी के गया, जा रहा हूँ.
Enjoy करिए अपनी लाइफ को.
हाँ मैंने enjoy करी है. You know enjoy करें मैंने अपनी लाइफ को. चाहे मैं 10 साल जियाऊँ, चाहे मैं 2 साल जियाऊँ, चाहे मैं 100 साल जियाऊँ, अपनी लाइफ को अपनी मजे से जी के गया.
How you enjoy life? How you enjoy life
You know,
without alone?
You know, according to me, about children, nowadays children, they think they all are bind in the expectations of everyone. बचपन से लड़का होता है, तुमको ये करना है, तुमको ये करना है, तुम्हें like you have to like depend all the world is expectation on the boy. जब बॉय लड़की खुशी नहीं होती है, लड़की की खुशी नहीं होती, मींस दे नॉट थिंक लड़का पैदा हो गया, खुशी किस बात की होती है कि कमाने वाला पैदा हो गया।
सही बात है, ये बात तो सही है।
लड़की पैदा हो रही है, लड़की पैदा हो रही है, दुख होता है, किसी को हैप्पी ना, किसी को कोई हैप्पी हो जाता है, किसी को दुख हो जाता है। माइंड सबके अलग अलग, ऑल मटेरियल थिंग्स आर देयर। अगर मान के चलो तो अगर तुम स्पिरिचुअल पर्सन हो, तुम किसी से प्यार भी हो जाएगा ना, और बाद में धोखा भी दे देगा, यू विल नॉट फील बैड, क्योंकि तुमको पता है मेरे अंदर जो आएगा वो जाएगा। If the person will come in like inside of common sense, right? In today's generation, children, मेरी हैप्पीनेस उसके अंदर, मेरे को वो चाहिए, वो चलेगी दूसरी आ जाएगी, उस चीज के अंदर है, मींस उस चीज के अंदर है, अब वो चीज चलेगी, मेरे को दूसरी चीज के अंदर हैप्पीनेस चाहिए। और जब तक तुम खुद से हैप्पी नहीं होगे, खुद के अंदर हैप्पी नहीं होगे, तो हाउ यू कैन डू दैट ऑल थिंग्स। आजकल के जनरेशन में who are seeing the Suraj Ki Srishti video, I want to say that all things, if you want to become real happy, if you want to become finding the real happiness, become a spiritual person. I'm not means saying to you change your religions, yeah, like do that all things. If you are a Muslim, just find spirituality in your religion. If you are Hindu, first find your spirituality in your religion. If you are Sikh, if you are Christian, just find the religion in yourself, but find that spirituality at that time. You know, of course, हमारा क्या होता है, means like you know, we are small छोटे बच्चे हैं, यहाँ बड़ी दीदी है ना, छोटे like small, अब वो फेल हो गए तो दुखी होंगे ना।
No, I will try to do better for my next time.
You know, yeah, now she's saying she will.
You said like failure there is no value. I said yeah, there is no value. So we can make the value next time. आप सोच, you said we become sad. हम fail होते, we get fail and उस time sad हो के हम मर जाएंगे. No. You said listen to me. Whatever you said, it's your mindset. But I said nah, it's my real happiness. And you know you said this line also. कि like the happiness will not get everywhere we can't get happiness. हम हर टाइम मतलब हमेशा ही खुश रहे, ये कभी होता नहीं है, ठीक है। We get sad, we get happy, like sometimes we get sad, sometimes we get happy. तो ये चीज ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि हम हमेशा we get always happy. No.
You know.
So and you said ना, like what we can do if we if we did anything in our past, so what we can do, हम याद कर सकते हैं बस को मोमेंट्स को याद करें। अगर हम सैड मोमेंट याद करेंगे तो क्या हमें रोना चाहेगा? अगर खुशी के मोमेंट याद, इफ वी रिमेंबर द हैप्पीनेस ऑफ मोमेंट, सो वी गेट हैप्पी।
वही तो चीज है।
Listen, what you said, become what spiritual person and like spiritual person. So everyone can't become. अगर रियल हैप्पीनेस चाहिए तो आप बोल रहे कि स्पिरिचुअल पर्सन बनो। अगर हर कोई everyone become a spiritual person, तो ये क्या होगा कि हर कोई ऐसे बाबा बन के घूम रहा है, संत बन
I didn't say to become a baba. I didn't say this thing. I am saying become a spiritual person. कि अगर बाद में तुम्हें धोखा भी मिलता है, तुम दुखी नहीं होगे। अगर बाद में तुम्हें धोखा भी मिलता है, in the future you are being cheated by someone, you're getting cheated by someone, your company is falling down, you will not feel bad at that time. You know, a person who is listen. You know, I want to tell you a small story. You know, it is a small story. You know about like it is a small story. There are 5 monks. You know there are 2 monks. Okay, there are 2 monks. One is the guru of that small monk. Like there is the end. There is the end of the guru monk. Like it is the like last breath of that, or like that the guru monk. Like he was lying and saying to his student that don't take care of the cat. उसने बोला बिल्ली को मत पालना कभी भी। लाइक उसने कहा बिल्ली को कभी मत पालना। बोला उसने बोला भाई बिल्ली को क्या पालना, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज बिल्ली को क्या पालना, मेरे को पता है मैं बिल्ली को क्या पालना भाई, मैं बिल्ली नहीं पालूंगा, चलो कोई बात नहीं, मैं मुझे ठीक है। मींस आफ्टर दैट यू नो आई ही स्क्रॉलिंग एंड थिंकिंग अबाउट कॉन्शियस हो जाता है ना, माइंड कॉन्शियस हो जाता है। किसने बोला बिल्ली मत पालो, बिल्ली क्या है, बिल्ली नहीं पालू, कोई मतलब होगा, कुछ होगा। उसने मैं बिल्ली कैसे ना पालू, मींस सी लाइक फाइंडिंग लाइक वन डे आफ्टर सो मेनी टाइम यू नो हंसने की बात, भाई बिल्ली नहीं पालू, माइंड मत क्या गया बिल्ली नहीं पालनी है, हम बिल्ली कैसे नहीं पालू, मैं क्या करना है, मैं तो समझ में वो अपने मींस उसका वो गया अपने मींस मॉम के फ्रेंड के पास में, बताओ क्या हो गया, बताओ क्या हुआ। उसने बोला मेरे को भी नहीं पता, उसने बोला मेरे को भी नहीं पता, like he said I also don't know what my friends was, every time he was saying to me also, just don't take care of the cat. उसने कोई बात नहीं, चलो ठीक है. Like he was a monk, he was staying his home. One day he saw cat. उसने बोला बड़ी प्यारी है, मैं पाल लेता हूँ. उसने बोला वो उससे पहले बहुत अच्छी जिंदगी जी रहा था, like he was staying and means happy बस था. उसने बोला कैट दिख रही है, पाल लेता हूँ. उसने सोचा कैट है, दूध पिलाना है, गाय पाल लेता हूँ. उसने गाय पाल ली. कह गाय है, चारा खरीदना पड़ेगा. उसने चारा खरीद लिया. उसने कहा चारा खरीदना है, उसने चारा खरीद लिया. उसने चारा खिलाने वाली चाहिए, उसने चारा उसने एक लेडी रख ली खिलाने वाली. अब उसने बोला मेरे को उससे प्यार हो गया. अब उसने उससे शादी कर ली. And that monk enter in the means in the normal life. अब at that time he is thinking my guru was saying something else to me, but I didn't listen. My guru and means take care of a cat, and now my life is being destroyed. एक monk होता है जो ब्रह्मचार्य होता है, जो कभी शादी नहीं करता, उसकी वो तपस्या थी, वो कभी शादी नहीं करूंगा. I will not means marry with anyone. अब रोज उसके झगड़े हो रहे हैं उसकी वाइफ से, कभी वो प्यार दिखा रहा है, कभी झगड़े हो रहा है, कभी कुछ और कमाने जाना पड़ रहा है. And now we enter the daily lives. I want to say this thing to you. Control your mind. Find happiness in your thing. You know she is saying about हम बड़े हो जाएंगे, हम अच्छी चीजें सोचेंगे. हमारी माइंड ऐसे नहीं बना कि हम बुरी चीजें नहीं सोच सकते. हम अच्छी चीजें सोचेंगे, हमको बुरी चीज सोचनी पड़ेगी. Our mind will bring it that out. गड़े उड़ते बाहर आते हैं, हमको सोचना पड़ेगा. क्या तुम कभी ये नहीं सोचोगे मेरे पैंट्स मर चुके हैं? कि तुम कभी ये नहीं सोचोगे? मीन्स आप स्पिरिचुअल पर्सन नो, अगर एक फ्लावर उग रहा है तो वो मुरझाएगा भी, अगर एक फल पेड़ पे टंगा है तो वो गिरेगा भी. दैट ऑल थिंग्स नो. अगर एक स्पिरिचुअल बंदा वो कह रहा है दैट पर्सन इज डाइंग. वो आया था, वो चले गया. वो आया था, चले गया. मैं आया हूं, मैं चले जाऊंगा. एवरीथिंग. एक छोटा सा सेल हर सेकंड मरता है. एक प्लांट हर दिन मरता है, हर दिन में हर फल हर 6-7 महीने में मरता है. एक कैट 12 साल की होती है, 12 साल में मर जाता है. एक डॉग 25 साल में मर जाता है. एक हाथी 60-70 में मर जाता है. और इंसान 100 साल में मरता ही है. इसको कोई रोक नहीं सकता है. Now no one can stop this. अब तुम वहां बैठे हुए हो, if you are not a spiritual person, तुम्हारी माँ मर गई, तुम्हारे बाप मर गए, तो you are crying at that time. If you are a spiritual person, तुमको पता है इनको होना ही है. मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? What will I do? मैं कर ही क्या सकता हूँ? रोके, मैं कर ही क्या सकता हूँ? इमोशंस दिखा के मैं कर ही क्या सकता हूँ? आशीर्वाद दे रहे मेरे को. अल्लाह का प्रकट हो, नहीं था भगवान का, विष्णु का प्रकट होगा नहीं कि मेरा बच्चा तू रो, मैं तेरे बाप को जिंदा कर रहा हूँ. That thing will not happen with you. अब जो स्पिरिचुअल बंदा वो बोलेगा मेरी माँ को मोक्ष मिले, मेरे पापा को मोक्ष मिले. आप जहाँ भी जा रहे हो, आप मींस if you are going to means to God, if you are going to Allah, like Allah and God will take care of you. Thank you for spending a precious time of your life with me, for giving me birth in this world. Thank you that all things. ये एक स्पेशल बंदा होता है. वो कभी दुखी नहीं होगा, क्योंकि उसको पता है लाइफ की रियलिटीज क्या है. अब लाइफ की उसको पता है एक चीज आएगी, एक चीज जाएगी, एक आ रही है, एक जा रही है. अब हम यहाँ पर पैदा हुए हैं. And I got about 2007. जब तुम पैदा हो रहा था करोड़ों लोग मर रहे थे. जब हम मर रहे होंगे ना, करोड़ लोग पैदा हो रहे होंगे. किसी के लिए खुशी की बात है, किसी के लिए दुखी की बात है. और जो स्पिरिचुअल बंदा है उसको पता है ये तो सबसे होना ही होना है भाई. This all things will be happen.
To one and all, this is me come in front of you all. First of all, how are you all?
Fine.
I'm not getting your voice. How are you all? Are you all happy or fine? Are you all happy or sad? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very happy. You know, I'm very happy today. Sir, today I can't stop my happiness. Today I'm very happy. Sir, today I'm very happy. Yes, today I'm real happiness. You know, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I would like to thank so much, sir. Sanjeev sir and Surya sir for having me this golden opportunities. As well as I would like to thank all the viewers, all the spectators, all the companions who all present over here. You know, ladies and gentlemen, today I am having a wonderful topic. Today I am having a marvelous, fantabulous topic. And the fantabulous, marvelous topic name is the real happiness. You know, ladies and gentlemen, today I am feeling over the moon. I'm feeling tickled pink. I'm feeling chuffed to bits. I'm feeling like hitting on a candy store. You know, ladies and gentlemen, excuse me. What is the real happiness? What is real happiness? You know, when we are improving ourselves. You know, people are longing for speaking English. Today I am feeling over the moon, tickle pink, because I am able to speak English. This is real happiness for me, because I am able to speak English. I used to think I can't speak English. I used to cry I can't speak English. But you know, ladies and gentlemen, today I can speak English in the good way, in the better way, in the proper way, because I'm feeling over the moon. I'm feeling tickle pink. I'm feeling chopped away. I'm feeling like hit on a candy store, because today I'm able to speak English. Today I'm able to speak English in front of you all. This is real happiness for me, for my life, for my future, for my career. This is real happiness. Because of the Suraj Society, I'm feeling over the moon. Because of the New Generation Institute, I'm feeling over the moon. Because of the Sanjeev sir and Suraj sir, I'm feeling over the moon. Because of them, I'm able to speak English. This is real, true happiness for my life. You know, ladies and gentlemen, if we want to become something, if we want to become a motivational speaker, so we are working hard. Even we are not becoming, but one day will come, you will become. So at that time you will feel good. At that time you will feel happy. At that time you will feel over the moon, because this is your real happiness. When you are achieving your goal, when you are achieving your success, when you are achieving your aim, so this is real happiness for your life, for your future, for your career. You are working hard since your childhood. You are working hard for your future, and one day will come, you will become whatever you want to become. One day will come and you will become. So this is real happiness for you all. You know, ladies and gentlemen, if we want to become a teacher, or we have become the teacher, this is real happiness for all of us. Because, you know, everybody, if you are getting respect, if you are getting famous, if you are making name and fame in your life, so this is also real happiness for your life, for yourself. This is your real happiness, because you are making your name and fame. You are getting respect everywhere. You are getting famous. All people know you. Just take the example of Ambani. Ambani is getting respect. Ambani has a lots of money. You know, ladies and gentlemen, this is the real happiness for the Ambani. You know, ladies and gentlemen, I am also feeling over the moon. I also want to be like Ambani. But one day will come, I will become Ambani. So I will also feel good. I will also feel happiness. And I will go. I will get my real happiness. I will get my true happiness. I am also laughing because I am talking about real happiness. You know, ladies and gentlemen, in this generation, I am talking about what is real happiness. And I have one important topic. You also listen to me carefully. You also listen to me attentively. I am the speaker. You all are nothing, okay? So please listen to me carefully. When our parents are happy, when our parents are very happy, when our parents are feeling proud, you know, everybody, I want to make my parents to be happy. This is real happiness for me. This is real happiness for myself. You know, this is real happiness for me, because I want to make my parents to be happy. When my parents are happy, so I am happy. When my parents are happy, when my parents are admiring me, when my parents are appreciating me, when my parents are, you know, giving me respect, when my parents are feeling proud, this is real happiness for me.
Your happiness is nothing for you.
Yes, you carry on. Yes. Yes. What would you like to tell, man?
Your happiness is nothing for you.
Yes, my parents. If my parents are happy, so I am happy. If my parents are okay, so I am okay. I am feeling over the moon because of the parents. You know, ladies and gentlemen, in this generation, because of the parents, we are here. We also thanks to our God. Thank you, God, for giving me parents. Thank you, God, for giving me mother. Thank you, God, giving me father. You know, ladies and gentlemen, because of the parents, we also proud on ourselves. Why are you all laughing? This is real happiness. You know, ladies and gentlemen, I am also laughing. When we have parents, we are very happy. We are very happy. We have parents, so we also thanks to our God. Thank you, God, for giving me parents. Thank you, God, for giving me mother. Thank you, God, for giving me father. This is real happiness for my life. So everybody, if we are fit as a fiddle, if we are healthy, if you are mentally healthy, if you are physically healthy, so this is our real happiness. For all of us, this is real happiness. A person who does not have leg, a person who does not have heart, a person who does not have eyes are from those. They are not happy in their life. They are not happy in their life. And we all should stay happy. We all should laugh and be happy because we have all body parts. We have leg, we have eyes, we have nose, we have hand. We all should happy. We all should feel proud on ourselves, and we also thanks to our God. Hey God, thank you for giving me this body part. Hey God, thank you for giving me parents. So ladies and gentlemen, it was my opinion. If you like this opinion, so like, share and subscribe. Must join the Generation Institute run by Suraj sir, run by Suraj Kirsisti. If you want to come, so you can come. This door is always open for you all.